Right, yo, what is up, guys? This is your boy Shots This Gaming here. People have been having problems with their mics or the microphone not working properly. So I'm gonna try and see if I can figure out a way. So press the Xbox button, go to settings, account, privacy. No, yeah, sorry, privacy and online safety. Xbox Live, custom, view details and customize, online status and history. Make sure they're all set to everybody, unless you want to hide some things from friends. Everybody, everybody, everybody. Profile, everybody, everybody. Friends. And allow. Friends and clubs, allow everybody, allow everybody. Communication, allow everybody, everybody, everybody. Allow everyone on the internet, allow, allow, allow. Everybody, allow. Ask before buying. This can be set up for kids or to stop kids from buying stuff. So if you put it on, it'll ask you for the passcode to buy stuff. And then app privacy. Enable advertise melody, yeah. Location. Camera, if you got the Connect. Microphone, allow it to use your microphone to talk. Speech. Account information. Like apps use your account. Contacts, if you want to do contacts. Calendar, if you want a calendar. Email, if you wanted to add email addresses. And everything else. Now, connect and devices. This is if you want to update your controller. Devices and accessories. It'll come up as that. More options. It'll say there, firmware update. If there's an update, connect it to the USB and then update it. If it doesn't, then you're up to date or you might need a new controller. I've got the blue one. And then check for the system update as well. Create a party. Oh, it's come up that I got no device. Right, give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna swap my mic over. Right, now to change the volume of your microphone, you go to settings. I'll have to take my mic out and plug it back in, so bear with me. Right, if you saw those settings then, it's the second one you need to change to go more towards a party chat or to go back towards the game chat so you can hear the game and the party at the same time. If you need any more help on the situation or you want to, like, if you need any more help about it, just let me know and I'll see what I can dig up and find out. So like, comment, subscribe and share really helps me out, much appreciated. Thanks for everyone who's